Hello class 11th. Now today we are going to do few numericals from your book. I have opened page number 120. Maybe there is little bit difference in the page, but don't worry about the question. I will send you the question. So let me read the question for you all. A car accelerates uniformly on the straight road. There is an acceleration in the car on the straight road from rest to the speed of 180 km per hour in 25 seconds. So it means he is saying you k from rest means the initial velocity is 0, the final velocity is 180 km per hour. We can change it into meter per second by multiplying it with 5.18. So we get 10. So it will be how much? 50 meter per second. So this is the velocity given to you. The time is given to us. The time is how much? The time is 25 seconds. Okay, the time is 25 seconds. He is asking us to calculate the distance. That means he is asking us to calculate the distance s. So s की value find out करनी है. So these things are given to us and he is asking us to calculate the value of s. It is very simple question. Simply you have to use Newton's second equation. Second equation को use करो तो s equals to ut plus half at square. We don't have the value of a, so don't worry about the value of a. So we can find it out from here. V equals to u plus at. So final velocity will be 0. So the value of a will be how much? It will be equals to u by t. It equals to v by t. Initial velocity is 0, so it's equals to v by t. So now put this value in place of a here. So s equals to ut, that means this part will become 0 because initial velocity is 0. So plus half a means v upon t and t ka square. So this t get cancelled. So s equals to half vt. So half means half only. The value of v is given to us. It is how much? It is 50. T means time is given to us. It is 25 seconds. Okay, so this get cancelled with this. So we get s equals to how much? 625 meters. So this is the distance covered by the car in 25 seconds. So this is the answer for question number 11 in your book. I will send you the question. Don't worry about the question. Then it is question number 13. Question number 12, sorry. 12, in this question, he is saying you a ball is thrown. It is question number 14, sorry. Two balls A and B are thrown simultaneously. The A vertically upward with a speed of 20 meters per second. Now what we are doing, suppose we are standing on the ground, we are with two balls, दो balls हम लोगों के पास हैं. The first ball is A, the second ball is B. Two balls are thrown simultaneously. A vertically upward. A को मैंने क्या किया? The ball A, suppose this is ball A को vertically upward throw किया and with a speed of 20 meters per second. That means the initial speed is given to us. It is 20 meters per second. Then what we are doing, from the ground and B vertically downward from the height of 40 meters. Suppose ball B is kept here. So this is how much? This distance is 40 meter. ये 40 मीटर है. यहाँ से मैंने बॉल B को नीचे थ्रो किया. So this is ball B. We have thrown it downward. Okay, they meet or they collide at particular point. Say that point is A. Suppose this point is B and this point is C. So he is asking us downward 40 with the same speed and along the same line of motion. Means that the speed of throwing this ball is also 20 meters per second. इसकी भी speed कितनी है? It is 20 meters per second itself. So he is asking us, क्या पूछा है उसने? He is asking at what point do the balls collide? So that means we have to find out दिस पॉइंट, ये वाला पॉइंट मुझे फाइंड आउट करना है. सो लेट मी टेल यू द क्वेश्चन वंस अगेन. यू आर हैविंग टू बॉल्स, दो बॉल्स आपके पास हैं. एक को वर्टिकली अपवर्ड फेंक रहे हो विद अ स्पीड ऑफ 20 मीटर पर सेकंड, एक को वर्टिकली डाउनवर्ड फेंक रहे हो विद अ इनिशियल स्पीड ऑफ 20 मीटर पर सेकंड. इसको बॉल बी को हम लोगों ने थ्रो किया है फ्रॉम 40 मीटर से थ्रो किया है. सो ही इज आस्किंग अस कि एट व्हाट पॉइंट दे विल कोलाइड, कौन से पॉइंट पे वो कोलाइड करेंगी. सो दैट पॉइंट वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट, वो वाला पॉइंट मुझे क्या करना है, फाइंड आउट करना है. से नाउ लेट अस से कि total distance is how much, it is 40. say ball B falls by the distance x meter. okay, x meter से नीचे fall हो गई. then in that condition this distance will be how much, it will be 40 minus x. so let us solve it. इसको solve करते हैं क्वेश्चन को. so we have to find out the value of x की वैल्यू मुझे find out करनी है. so अगेन वी आर हैविंग न्यूटन इक्वेशंस, न्यूटन की इक्वेशंस मेरे पास है, उसके अलावा और कुछ भी नहीं है. सो वी आर हैविंग इक्वेशन s इक्वल्स टू ut प्लस हाफ at स्क्वायर. सो दिस बॉल इज गोइंग अप, सो इट मीन्स के इफ यू कंसिडर बॉल a, सो इन दैट केस s विल बी हाउ मच, 40 minus x equals to how much, ut, the u is how much, 20, and the time is not given to us I think. so that means we have to calculate the time also. time की value हम लोग बाद में देखेंगे. so let me put it here. so 20t minus how much, this is thrown upward, that's why we have put it minus here. half, a means only a and t means only t. so this we are getting. now for ball B, say this is my equation 1. Similarly for ball B, this is for ball A. now for B, again s equals to s, this time will be equals to x. x equals to the ball is coming down, so that means this equation will remain same. this will be 20t only, it will be plus only, it will be half and a t ka square. so the value of x is this much. let us put this value, ये सेकेंड इक्वेशन है. सो फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 and 2 दोनों को कंसिडर करो. सो वी गेट 40 माइनस, वी आर पुटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ x, 20 माइनस हाफ at का स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू 20t माइनस हाफ at का स्क्वायर. सो दिस वी आर गेटिंग. सो आई थिंक दिस गेट कैंसिल्ड, ये कैंसिल हो गया. so we are left with 40 minus 20t equals to 20t, it gets shifted here. so 40 equals to, इधर जाके प्लस हो जाएगा. so 40t, so the value of t will be how much, 40 upon 40 equals to 1 second. so that means after 1 second they will collide. now let us find out the distance. distance को find out करना है, तो distance को find out करने के लिए let me put this value here, यहाँ पे put up कर देते हैं. so from equation say 2, so we get x equals to 20 into time plus half, a means 9.8 and t means 1 only, so they get cancelled, 4.9. so x equals to the value of this is 20 plus how much, it will be 4.9. so on adding them we are getting how much, 40, 24, how much it is, 24.9. so it is 24.9. that means 24.9 from ball B. अगर इसको निकालना from यहाँ से निकालना, तो that means from ball A we can say it will be 40 minus x. so 40 minus x means 40 minus 29.4. so on subtracting this what we are getting, so 40 में से 29.4 को minus करो, so we get 6, and from here we get 0 I think, ये shift हो गया 9 0, and how much, 2, we get 2, so 6, it is, we get 0, 9 10, it will be 10.6. so this is your answer. Okay, this is your answer. So in this way we have to continue with the questions. So 2 questions I have done. एक हम लोगों ने कल किया था, the question which is given to you in homework. So please do some more numericals, and on Monday we are going to start we are going some more numericals, and let us see your problems, then we will continue with the next chapter. So for till then, thank you very much.